Hey guys, we're the Jeters, and welcome to the Jeter channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Jeter channel. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'm just out here relaxing a little bit and thought that I would take you through an Amazon Fresh tutorial. It's going to be a video showing you how to use Amazon Fresh and all of the different features that it has to offer. Amazon Fresh has been extremely helpful and useful to me and Kirsten as we've both began working more. Me and Kirsten work opposite schedules. We have 3 kids, as you know, so going to the grocery store can be a little bit difficult, especially with a 2-year-old. So Amazon Fresh, once you are able to place your order, it is delivered to your doorstep within anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. It gives you different categories of 2-hour delivery windows that you can choose from. You choose what's best for you. They deliver it right to your doorstep. And once they ring your doorbell, you're able to go out there, pick them up, and start putting them away. So go ahead and stay tuned as I take you through Amazon Fresh right here on my phone. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every single time that we post. Let us know down in the comments after you watch this video if you would like us to post more tutorial videos or if you have something that you would like us to talk about. All right, here we go. First things first, I'm going to show you how to get to Amazon Fresh. It's fresh.amazon.com. Once you get there, it'll take you to where you can click on the sign in link. If you do not already have an Amazon Prime account, you can click on any of the products. You can scroll down and it will tell you to add to the cart, join Prime. There's a link that will take you to set up your Amazon Prime account. As you keep scrolling down, it gives you descriptions of the items and gives you some more information. There's Q&As and just other product details. If you're already a Prime member and you've shopped on Amazon Fresh before, there is a section once you go to the main page. It says buy it again, and you can see some of the things that you've already bought. You can shop the coupon deals. There's items based on the feed that you've given it, the feedback you've given it that are recommended for you. It goes based on past purchases. So these are some of the items that we've purchased throughout our time as Prime members. There are items that are trending near you, so I guess it takes your location and it shares it and shows some of the items that other people in your area are purchasing. As you go down, there are other fresh produce. This kind of shows some of the aisles that you have and some of the items that you have to choose from. Now I'll take you down. You can see some of the different aisles that they have, like meat and seafood. You can scroll, see different meats that they have that are popular. Go down to snack foods. Sometimes it can take a little bit for it to load, so just give it a second and it'll load up for you. They have different coupons that are on Fresh. It says, like the water bottles there, we're saved 30% off. Some of the meat that we've purchased is 50% off. So they do have some pretty good deals that are on Fresh. You can actually click on the coupon and it tells you what the coupons are available for, and it gives you some of the details. Once this loads up, you can actually see the details, how to click and redeem the coupon, and you can just scroll down and it tells you some of the terms and conditions, so on and so forth. You can also see that they have special deals on produce and other items where it'll show the original price marked out and show you the new price. Since it's the beginning of the year and everybody has their New Year's resolutions, it has some items where it says start the new year out right. It gives you different categories like buttermilk and cheese, and I'll get into that where it breaks down categories and subcategories depending on which aisle that you choose, and I'll dive into that here in a moment. Once you get closer to the bottom, it shows you different categories. So there's fresh deals, fruits and vegetables, meat and seafood, dairy, eggs and cheese, different everyday value items, 365 Everyday Value is the Amazon Fresh brand. And you can just see it just gives you different categories. Each of these are specific aisles for Amazon Fresh. You can see as I scroll back up, I'll click on meat and seafood and it'll take us directly to the meat and seafood aisle. So it breaks it down. There's coupons, featured meats and seafoods, and then you can even scroll down to a little bit further down and it breaks it down by each meat. So beef, seafood, bacon, pork, chicken, it just breaks it down individually, which I think is really awesome. At the top of the page, you can click shop aisles and it shows you each individual aisle. So shop aisles for food, and it breaks it down to what was at the bottom of the page earlier that I just showed you. Here it shows each individual category, and then it has subcategories at the bottom. So as you click on each one, it's going to bring up different categories and subcategories. You can slide through each one looking at what all each category has to offer and what is on each specific aisle. So once you click on that aisle, it'll take you directly to it and you can go from there. Now you can go back to the top of the page, click on the Fresh button. It'll have this drop down menu. This is where I click on past purchases. Once I get to my past purchases, you can scroll through. It'll tell you how many times you've purchased those items, and it just allows you to click on the add to cart button and add those items to your cart. You can always go back to your drop down menu and you can see where it says grocery list. Once you click on grocery list, it'll take you to this page where it allows you to show your past purchases and then your previous grocery lists. And then once you click on that, you can create a new grocery list and just name your list. I'm going to name this shopping list. So once you do that, click create and it'll bring you to the page where you can edit your list, look through different shopping aisles. And once you get to the aisles, you can start selecting the items that you want to purchase. So as you scroll through, you can, again, look at different coupons that they have, different items from food to alcohol, paper products, cat litter, dog food, really anything that you need. Again, you can also go back to your Buy It Again page to select different items. You can see where I am scrolling through and I'm clicking to add the items in my cart. This allows me to just choose the same items that I know that I need, that we use on a regular basis, and kind of scroll through and just decide whether I want to add them back to my cart or not. All right, so once you get to your cart, you have the option of choosing to change the quantity, and then you can even go through and see if there's any items that you want to delete. I didn't need Reese's peanut butter cups, so I just hit that delete button and it takes it out of my cart. Now, one more time before you check out, it's going to ask you, did you forget something? Is there anything that's trending near you that you think you need or something to complete your cart? So it just gives you a list of items, kind of similar to the very first page that we went through. And it's just asking you to add these things to your cart if you think that you need them. Now that you're ready, you can go ahead and hit that continue button. It's going to take you to the next page where you select your delivery time. Under $35, you have a price to pay. And anything over $35, the delivery is free. So once you get through with selecting your delivery time, it's going to take you to the payment page. It gives you the option to enter your credit card information or get the Amazon Prime credit card. Once you submit payment information, you are ready to place your order. This just gives you a brief overview of your delivery time. It talks a little bit about your tips. Tips are welcome. The driver does get 100% of the tip. You can change that tip amount. It gives you a delivery charge and an order total. Again, the delivery charge is $4.99. If you spend over $35, the delivery charge is free. So all you would be paying out of pocket is the tip. So now that you're ready to place your order, you can actually just go right ahead and scroll back up to the top. Once you get to the top here, you just click place your order. And as long as your credit card payment information is in there, it'll place your order and you're ready to go. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this Amazon tutorial and how-to video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get notified every single time that we post. And we hope to see you next time. Let us know down in the comments what your favorite part of this video was and if you found it helpful. All right, guys, we'll see y'all next time.